Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is updated and backed up so you can safely change layout. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Home Screen. This is where system-level options live. You do this because system settings control icon arrangement, app library, and widget behavior. Make sure to grant any permission prompts. This prevents unexpected resets later. Now that you're in home screen settings, you're ready to change display options and prepare for adding widgets and custom icons. You'll now reorganize the visual layout. Long press an app until icons jiggle, then drag apps to reorder or bunch them into folders for cleaner pages. Once you place core apps in the dock, swipe to create extra pages and distribute categories consistently. This improves reachability and focus. After arranging icons, tap the plus button to add widgets. Pick sizes that match available space and stack related widgets to save room. Make sure to balance aesthetics and fun. You're close to finishing. Add custom icons via shortcuts for a cohesive look and hide entire pages to simplify your view. Once satisfied, press done or hit the home button to exit jiggle mode and live with the new layout for a day to test flow. If icons or widgets don't update, restart the iPhone to force refresh. Make sure you've updated apps. As a final step, if things break, use Settings General Reset Home Screen Layout as a recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.